Hey guys, Robbie Brown here with my new YouTube page, Unknown Ventures. On my page you're going to find videos of history, abandoned areas, and some paranormal activity. Right now where I'm at is the old Devine mill, where my good buddy Roy showed me around this place, from inside and outside, to the old Ford truck that's parked outside, from all the stories that have been told and his stories. There's a lot of history here. This place was built in the 1940s. And would distribute feed throughout all of Devine, Texas and surrounding areas. Here in this video, I'm going to walk around the building in daylight so I can kind of get a feel for what the place looks like. And then at night, I'm going to bring one of my teams in so we can see if we can pick up any type of activity. If you guys like the video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
I was trying to take a picture of that room. I'm going to take no flash pictures too to see what we get. With just a weak light on it, it just kind of looks eerie.
That is pretty eerie. No, nothing yet. No cold spots, nothing. So, in here, I'm just trying to make sure no one's in here and shit. Alright, this room. Check in here. Always want to make sure there ain't nobody here, because that's my worst fear.
Anybody in here?
No, I think we're good. So, right here where we're standing, this guy tried scaring him, and old guy tried to scare Roy, and the old guy was laying right here, is what he said, and then Roy came and was stepping over him thinking he was joking, but when he left, another employee came and said that no, ambulance came and he had a heart attack. And it's right here. So, man, my night vision's not the best on this, but it's something. Yeah, so in that room is where y'all want to be careful.
Yeah, so let's go.
Alright. Let's move forward here.
You want to start asking some questions? Go lights out.
Is there anybody here? Does anybody want to let us know that you are here? Just give us a sign.
My name's Chris. The gentleman with the camera and the other detector in his hand, that's Robbie. And the guy taking photos is Jim. He's right here. Snuck up right behind him. In Robbie's hand, he has the EMF detector. It will be able. All you have to do is get close. It will detect your presence. Please let us know you're here. See this green light? Just come to it. It'll turn red. I'm going to shine a light on it. This right here. Please come directly to this right here. Are you trapped? What's your name? Would you like us to pass on a message for you?
Do you care that we are here? Does it bother you? I'm just going to turn the light on walking through here because Yeah, you got to be careful with that right there. Don't touch anything.
I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, it's probably this right here. it's giving off some kind of weird, but I feel it right here. My hair is raised.
Yeah, so right there's where you want to be careful around all that, because right down there is where everything drops.
Oh, it's just
There's people over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna prove that people outside right there.
Yeah, there are people out there, so
Yeah.
I don't want to shine my light and freak them out.
Yeah. Oh, it smells like rotten.
You can, yeah, there's something dead under there probably. Maybe a cat, because there's a lot of cats that hang in here.
I can't get any good pictures. I have to have something.
Yeah, so this was made in the 1940s, feed store. It's been abandoned in, you know, for fucking years. Like I said, just be careful as far as coming right here. You'll see
I'm gonna see if I can get it
right down there.
inside there. Can we get down there?
I don't know. I'm not too sure how safe that would be.
Yeah, something's down there.
Oh yeah, most likely it's down there.
Too bad. I think I figured out the whole still photo issue.
Is there somebody here? Is there anything or anybody that would like to let us know that you are here?
Did you get that?
Oh yeah, that thing makes a bunch of noises.
Oh, it's loose tin up there.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's been rattling all day.
Yeah, but that sounded like someone walking up here. That was tin. I can hear that tin going right there. But it sounded like, is there a platform up there?
I mean, I think so.
I'm not hearing that. Oh yeah, look, there's stairs in there. Going straight up. I bet this was no walking platform.
Yeah, I'd have to say the creepiest part probably is these restrooms here.
Ooh, are they closed? You going in?
Oh yeah, that door is just right there. That's the door right there. Oh, that is a stinky, nasty looking restroom. I'll do my night vision real quick.
On that floor, I mean, the ceiling's giving it to you. Look, they had a fire at one point. You see it?
Oh really? Oh shit, probably so.
All lead paint. It's got the lead paint in here. Just pulling out the walls.
What happened here? Can anybody tell us the story behind this place? Is somebody here that's always been here that would like to say something?
Hey Jim. Yeah, come take some photos just through this window right here.
Yeah, so what these were used for were, they would put cottonseed. They would put cottonseed in here. That's what they were for.
Here, let me try this. Since I have my flash on,
Guys, I got something. I got hair standing on my fucking arms. Shit.
Did you get a spike? Oh, we got two. Yeah, I just got chills.
Yep,
Look at that.
it's next to you too. I got chills.
It's really running through me. Look, I'm
Yep,
energized.
Yep.
Look at my hairs. Look at my hairs. That's crazy.
It's lit up on a 3.
There's no power around this. I'm going to prove that
lit
to
up
you
on a
right
3.
now.
It's lit up on a 3.
Lights out.
Heart's racing, bro.
If you're here, please come in the light. gone.
You sure? I don't
Wait,
know.
no. Here it comes. Look.
Holy shit.
It's raising back up again.
Look at that.
It's right here, but there's no power anywhere around me. Look.
We bring no harm.
The power's way up there. And that's not even above my head. Like, this is directly above me.
Yep, look at my EMF reader. We don't bring any harm. We bring peace. All we want to do is just talk. We are friendly.
I just got a feeling. Hey, stay right there. Look, it's gone. Like, I don't have any feeling over here.
How do you feel, man? You feeling all right?
I'm good.
A little spook?
Please make your presence known.
That first one, where we're in.
Is this spike on?
I'm not getting too much anymore. I mean, a little bit here and there, but something's definitely there.
I got a feeling it's behind me, dude. Oh crap, it's over here now, dude.
Is it?
Look, it's back again. No, behind me. Move the lights out, that's where it was last time. Nothing? That's some crazy spikes in there, man.
Oh, yeah.
And it was at this moment Jim started to feel something across his face.
You all right?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You all right?
Yeah, on the side of my face.
All right, yeah. You got a little detection here.
I thought it was my hair.
Oh, does it feel like spider web?
Now if you look closely, you'll see something shoot from Jim's left side and stop immediately on his right side.
Like, when you
my-
walk through,
like my
when you
skin
walk through
tensed
their plasma, sometimes it feels like. Is it back? Go around Jim. He's fighting.
Like, it's on my face, dude.
I'll take some photos. Of you.
Holy shit, it's hot right here.
This is when we inspected the EMF reader going off and debunked it as an energy source going through the front of the building.
From the outside. The breeze probably blowing from the windows there.
y'all.
Tapping over there.
That's the 10.
Yeah, probably so.
It sounded like someone was shuffling through this room, though. It didn't sound like standard 10 blowing. It sounded like walls, like steps. Yeah, by far that other thing's the hottest room.
Yeah, definitely active. Yeah, be careful with the
Look,
electrical
showing
stuff.
you there's no power to this building whatsoever. See?
Pretty crazy, right?
Yeah.
Was that the first time you got a spike here?
I don't know if I got bit by a bug or something.
Where?
My freaking thumb's itching like I got bit by a mosquito.
Let me see your face now.
Just got touched probably.
You're a little irritated right here.
You go years without shaving and then you shave.
Yeah, that could be it. Debunked.
Debunked. Yeah, you can. I'd be very careful. I'd be very careful.
Over here.
When we walked in here, it looked like somebody cut back. Like, I saw a silhouette through that doorway.
Turn my light on here.
Old school ways, yeah, that's cool.
How's the EMF looking?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Zero reads. Are you down there?
Yeah, careful where you stand, Chris.
Yeah.
Don't need you falling, man.
Oh, God.
Yeah, there's something very stinky down there.
Oh, it's down here.
Watch your foot, bro.
What is that? What is that?
Fucking strong, dude.
Oh, that's
It looks like-
guano, dude.
I was gonna say it's dripping from
That's bat crap.
rat crap. Yeah,
That's what the strong scent is.
probably
Yeah.
so. There's lots of it.
You didn't see bats earlier?
No,
That stuff is very tough.
Hey, they're up in that island. Has to be.
He's just dripping out.
Yeah. Because it's like a natural funnel. It's all coming down.
oh yeah, I got bit by
Spot right
mosquitoes. That's
here.
what it is.
So you can see where it's coming out.
Oh, bite. Y'all didn't get bit by mosquitoes? They always get after me, man. I can't hate that part.
There's something weird about
That's why I always take my kid.
Huh?
That's why I always take my kid fishing with me. He's a magnet.
He's a magnet.
corn chops.
What's this channel right here?
Ooh, that guano is bad. It's those that are humming.
This one.
Yeah, but you never know, man. No. That's electrical shit.
That's probably the transformer right out there.
It's weird because the sound moves, man. Oh, it's those.
Yeah, it's gotta be something. The sound's too
I think
safe
it's the
though.
wind blowing